Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. So here I have the XCOOL laser level 3-in-1. Have you ever wanted to put a laser level on the wall? This has a built-in suction pump. So you simply just press the power button one time, turns it on, press it again, and now it's going to have suction and suck it to the wall. And then the stop button takes it off. But the first thing I want to do is level. There's a level in there, so I can make a straight line. Okay, now I press the button again. Whoops, messed up. All right, let's level the ball. Now press it again one time. Now it stays. Now it has a laser coming out the bottom. Press and hold, and now I have a laser that comes out. It can go across the room. That is so cool. And then you're gonna get a little bit of air leakage in here. You know, drywall is not perfectly sealable. And as the suction goes down, it's going to turn the pump back on to make sure it has the maximum suck. See, it just turned it back on to make sure it has maximum holding power. And this is your battery level indicator. So as you lose battery level, you know, it is going to start to warn you when the battery gets low, because it doesn't want it falling off the wall. And when you're all done, there's a stop button right here. Turn the laser off by holding that button again. That turns the laser off. Press the stop button, releases the suction, we can see. Now I can take it off the wall. Now we have this drill bit. If you want to drill something into the drywall, you know, you can put it, level it, turn it, you know, it's already on, single press it. Now when I use a drill bit, so now when I want to drill into the drywall, instead of that drywall dust getting all over everything, you can drill through it, and it's all going to go into this little chamber here, and we can empty that out later. But it's got little scrapers on there. This is really, really cool. It's got a level. Again, automatically maintains suction on the wall. Here's even a big 1/2-inch drill bit will fit through there. Now we got another bracket we can put on. So let's take it off, press the stop button, and now it comes off. All right, so here's the drill bit device. Press this button, this will come off. There's a little door here that we can remove all that drywall dust out of. That's really neat. Now we can put a bracket on here. So say we want to mount something on the wall. This is 1/4 thread. You've got a camera or something. So I can put a camera up here, as long as it's got the 1/4 threads for like typical camera equipment. Say I want to put a light in a certain area, okay? I can mount that light. Now I can go back to the wall, whatever I want to mount to that, turn it on again, any angle I want. Let's say at an angle like this, turn it on, press it again. Oh, see, there's the warning. It wasn't up against the wall. It will beep at you if it thinks it's going to fall off the wall. Now it's maintaining suction, maintaining strength, and I can put whatever I want on here at any angle. Press the stop button, I can move it, again, anywhere. Pretty nice. I love this XCOOL 3-in-1 laser level. I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.